Just for a second there, I just ruined this box. I just thought for a second there, I thought this was a wax break. I had wax brain right now. Good luck, everybody. Select Drake London RPA. Drake London RPA out of Select. Numbered to 99. Let me get my team board up here. So that the first hit of the break is Falcons. That's Clip and Rips. One of the last teams to come off the board. And just pick them up. All right. Here we go. All right. Mets. Oh, I did mention Pete Alonso. How about it? There you go. This is Nets, Mets, Jets. Pete Alonso on card. Topps auto. Nice. Going to the Jets. That is, let's ban TikTok. This looks like somebody else did the same thing I did. '19 Panini Select. Gem Mint 10. Oh. Nick Bosa on the Silver Prism rookie card. We just were talking about this guy. He tore his ACL today. Oh, wow. What are the odds of that? Still an awesome card, though. Nick Bosa, Silver Prism rookie, Gem Mint 10, going to the 49ers. It's Christopher Day. Yeah.
What's up, man?
What's going on, pal?
Dude, is anyone using that laptop over there?
Not at the moment, no.
At the moment? Can I steal it? Or
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Is that allowed?
Yeah, go for it.
Dude, am I in camera?
Right now you are, yeah.
Dude, am I in the green screen?
You are, yeah. Jackson Merrill. Give me like 10 seconds on Jackson Merrill for the people.
Jackson Merrill, really, really good. He's having an okay year.
Fair enough.
A little sophomore slump, but he'll be alright.
There you go.
What's the code to this?
It's right there, 1-7.
That would make sense.
All right, it's on-card rookie auto. This is the Padres, so that goes to the Saints. That goes to the Saints. That is where's my Saints? Hunter, HB. We just started B&L. We literally just started. This is box number 5. You haven't really missed anything yet. Nice. TJ Watt on the Immaculate Ink to 99. Going to the Steelers. Hunter again. HB again. Funny, like all the last teams to go are the first teams to hit. How about that? Finest prodigies. Bryce Young. This is, I don't know, I can't tell if it's on card or not. Kind of looks like yes, kind of looks like no. Either way. This is numbered to 99. There you go, Yoder. Numbered to 99. This one's going to the Panthers. Panthers was Dad Life. select. Rookie. Ricky Pearsall. Another one for the 49ers. Ricky Pearsall on the white prism. Field level. Numbered to 35. Ricky P. Another one for the Niners. Rookie. Nice. Micah Parsons rookie ticket auto. Going to the Cowboys. Shannon. How do Cowboys fans feel about pulling Micah Parsons autos right now? Rookie autos right now. How does that make a Cowboys fan feel? It's got to be confusing. It's got to be a confusing feeling. Slab time. 2003 Upper Deck. Gem Mint 10. Wow. LeBron James Phenomenal Beginnings 2003. Is this rookie card? So there you go, guys. That's why you get the Browns. That's why you get the Browns. Because you want the Gem Mint 10 LeBron James. That's why you get the Browns. (2018) Panini R&S. Mint 9. Lamar, Longevity Signature Gold. Lamar Jackson on the auto out of Rookies and Stars. Going to the Ravens. Nice. LJ number 8. That's sick. 2018. This is, yeah, rookie? Rookie auto? Sheesh. Oh, it's numbered right there. Okay, it is numbered. Two out of 3. 2 out of 3. Huge hit for the Ravens. Ravens is 10-ounce king. Huge hit. All right, that was 10. This is number 11 here, guys. This is number 11, so we're a quarter of the way through. Wyatt Langford on the rookie auto. Okay, this one goes to the Dallas Cowboys. Dallas Cowboys get the Texas Rangers. There you go. On card. No, not on card. Just auto. Rookie auto. Wyatt Langford. Yeah, Dallas with 2. That's a good point. Dallas with 2, San Francisco with 2. Wow. Dennis Rodman on the Red Mojo auto out of Optic. That's sick. This is for the Bears. The Bears. That is Dad Life. You think the Lamar's the case hit? All right. Fair enough. Let's keep it moving and see if we can see anything else. What's the LeBron, J-Beer? What's the LeBron? I'm curious. Lions rookie. Oh, wow. Amon-Ra. Amon-Ra rookie auto in the USC gear. Going to the Lions. That's Ken. It's numbered to 149 also, by the way. I'm on Raw. Phenomenal beginning, 2003, Gem Mint 10. (2024) Panini VIP Gold, Mint 9. Randy Moss. Wow. Oh, it's a patch, 3-color patch. Randy Moss, Mint 9 out of Panini. Numbered 1 out of 15. Sick. Going to the Vikings. Vikings was Shannon. $90, really? Interesting. Rookie King, Sunday King. Sunday King, Bijan Robinson. Sunday King, Bijan Robinson going to the Falcons. Bring Lamar down here. This up there. Panini 1. Breece Hall RPA. Numbered to 99. Going to the Jets. Another nice hit for the Jets. You got the Alonzo and this. (2022) Mosaic. Gem Mint 10. Trevor Lawrence on the honeycomb. The red, white, and blue honeycomb. Going to the Jags. Case hit out of Mosaic. Jags was Skull Nation. Oh, well, there goes the sweat. Wow. Nice. T. Higgins RPA on the silver ink, numbered to 99. Going to the Bengals. That's B&L. Nice. All right, here we go. Select. Nice. Paolo Banchero on the RPA. Is this numbered? Not numbered. This one goes to Tampa Bay, right? Tampa. Buccaneers, Rays, Magic. Yep. Tampa Bay Rays. There you go. Or Tampa Bay Bucks, I should say. All right, guys, this is number 20. So this after this box, we'll be halfway. We still got the other half of the break left to go, so we're still ripping. We're still rolling here. Peyton Manning auto? Whew! Peyton Manning, numbered 1 of 2. Going to the Broncos. Nice. Broncos was How About You Let It Go on the Peyton Manning auto. This has been a good break so far, guys. That's only halfway. It's only halfway. Here we go. Second half of the break coming at you. It's been a really good break so far. There he is. Jaden Daniels, rookie orange disco prism. Going to the Commanders. Commanders was Croteau. Croteau. All right. Chet on the auto for the Thunder. Thunder goes to the Chiefs. It's numbered to 99. This one is going to B&L. Devon Achane RPA. Sick. Numbered to 50 out of Zenith. Going to the Dolphins. Dolphins is J-Witt. Nice. No worries, no worries. Another slab. 2024 Donruss. Gem Mint 10. Let's go. Marvin Harrison Jr. Optic Red Pandora. Sheesh. Numbered to 25. No, not numbered to 25. Okay. Just kidding about that.
Yeah, I think those came out of like Hobby Lobby, the Red Pandoras.
Fair enough. This is sick. I like the Pandora. This one obviously goes to the Cardinals. Topps Chrome Black. Oh, hey. Travis Kelce on the smoke screen.
I think those are case hits out of Panini Black.
Panini Black? Okay. That's sick. Going to the Chiefs. That one is also going to B&L. National Treasures. Ray Allen. Wow. Ray Allen auto. This one's numbered to 49, and it is for the Heat. So the Miami Heat obviously is the Miami Dolphins. That is J-Witt. Oh. '22 Bowman SE. Gem Mint 10. Jackson Churio. Nice. Chrome Prospects. Gem Mint 10. Going to the Packers. Brewers go to the Packers. Packers is J-Beer. Optic rated rookie. Wow, nice. Keon Coleman on-card auto on the Optic rated rookie. This one is numbered to 99. Going to the Bills. That's Jeremy.
See what Jordan said. He goes, big L to the guy who picked Seahawks over Ravens 08. That was
Yeah,
good.
yeah. Well, we think that this was the case hit right here. We think it might be.
That's
Lamar.
got to be the case hit.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a rookie, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
That's definitely case hit.
What do we got here? Oh, Puka. Puka on the patch auto. Oh, rookie, RPA. Puka RPA. Numbered to 199. Nice hit for the Rams. That is Brian. Oh, there's another one we didn't get to sweat. It's Jalen Hurts on the black RPA to 199 silver ink. This is sick. Can we get a focus? Camera's been a lot better with the focus today, though. Have you guys noticed that? Since we rearranged the room, the focus has been a little better. All right, guys. Final 10. Final 10. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. If you haven't hit yet, you're going to get one in this stack. If you haven't hit yet, don't worry. You're going to get one. Oh, Christopher, I didn't see that. Yeah, you got two. There's two of them. Nick Bosa and a Ricky Pearsall. Here we go. Mosaic. Lad McConkey on the rookie auto. Out of Mosaic. Numbered to 199. Going to the Chargers. Nice. Chargers is David. So that's Ban TikTok again. Midnight. Oh, night moves. Tyrese Halliburton. Tyrese Halliburton. This one is going to the Colts. Pacers is Colts. Night moves is a case hit. Out of Don Russ. Illustrious ink. Ooh, Eddie George. Numbered to 25. On-card auto for the Titans. Nice hit for the Titans. (2023) Select. Gem Mint 10. C.J. Stroud on the Silver Prism. Rookie card. C.J. Stroud. This one goes to the Texans. 6 left, guys. 6 more to go. J.J. McCarthy on the Silver Prism rookie. I think this is another one for the Vikings, right? The Vikings already had one. Oh, yeah, they had the Randy Moss. Yep. Double up for the Vikings. Flawless. Hey, C.J. McCollum. This one is your Seahawks, right? Portland Seahawks. Yep. C.J. McCollum on card, numbered to 10 out of Flawless. Very nice. Going to the Seahawks. All right, 4 more. (2024) Don Russ Optic. Gem Mint 10. Drake May on the pink rated rookie. Gem Mint 10. Going to the Patriots. Patriots is J-Beer. All right, 3 left. Dizzy, you know you hit one already, right? Dizzy, you have the Browns, Dizzy. You already hit a LeBron. So, I don't know what you're complaining about. National Treasures. Aaron Donald going to the Rams. Nice Aaron Donald NT autograph. Flawless. Tiki Barber on the patch auto, numbered to 15. There's actually a little bit of blue in there. There's like a tiny little bit of blue. Going to the Giants. Giants is Shannon. Last hit of the break here, guys. Last hit of the break. Ooh, baby. What a way to end it. Bang. Devontae Adams downtown going to the Raiders. How about you let it go? Fantastic. Nice. So there you go. Everybody hit, right? I'm going to do a little recap here, guys. Just give me a minute to gather them up. Ooh. All right, guys, it's recap time. Here we go. Here we go. We got ourselves Micah Parsons rookie ticket auto going to the Cowboys. Devon Achane on the RPA going to the Dolphins, numbered to 50. Peyton Manning on the auto, numbered to 2. 1 of 2. Going to the Broncos. Ricky Pearsall on the field level rookie card, white prism. Numbered to 35 for the 49ers. We got Breece Hall RPA. Numbered to 99. Going to the Jets. Another one for the Jets. This is Pete Alonso on-card auto. Going to the Jets. We got Bryce Young on the auto. Out of Topps. This one, I thought it was numbered. Yeah, numbered to 99. Going to the Panthers. Wyatt Langford. Wyatt Langford on the rookie auto. Going to the Cowboys. Bijan Robinson. Now I'm saying Bijan, but it's actually Bijan again. I got so used to saying it the right way. Now the right way is the wrong way again. Bijan Robinson, Sunday Kings, going to the Falcons. Paolo Banchero on the RPA. Going to the Buccaneers. Amon-Ra St. Brown, numbered to 149 on the rookie auto, going to the Lions. Dennis Rodman on the Optic Mojo auto, going to the Bulls. I'm sorry, the Bulls. The Bears. T. Higgins, RPA with the silver ink, numbered to 99, going to the Bengals. Jackson Merrill, on-card auto, rookie card, going to the Saints. We got T.J. Watt, autograph, numbered to 99. feel like this is a rookie auto, right? He's in his Wisconsin uniform. This one goes to the Steelers. Jalen Hurts on the RPA to 199. Nice 4-color patch. Silver ink. Going to the Eagles. Drake London RPA out of Select. Number to 99. Going to the Falcons. Aaron Donald autograph out of National Treasures. Number to 99. Going to the Rams. Jaden Daniels on the rookie orange prism disco. Going to the Commanders. Chet on the auto. Going to the Chiefs. Number to 99. Keon Coleman. Blue rated rookie auto. Number to 99. Going to the Bills. Tiki Barber on the patch auto. Number to 15 out of Flawless. Going to the Giants. Travis Kelce case hit. What's it called? Smoke Screen. Out of Panini Black. Going to the Chiefs. Ray Allen. Number to 49 on the auto. For the Dolphins. Out of National Treasures. Lad McConkey rookie auto. Out of Mosaic. Numbered to 199. Going to the Chargers. Puka Nacua RPA. Out of Obsidian. Numbered to 199. Going to the Rams. CJ McCollum. Numbered to 10 on the auto. Out of Flawless. Going to the Seahawks. JJ McCarthy Silver Prism rookie card. Going to the Vikings. Eddie George on the on-card auto out of Impeccable to 25. Going to the Titans. Tyrese Halliburton Night Moves case hit. Going to the Colts. Got some slabs for you. LeBron James Phenomenal Beginning Gem Mint 10. Going to the Browns. Randy Moss on the Mint 9 Panini Memorabilia card. 3-color patch there. Numbered to 15. First on the print to 15. Going to the Vikings. Vikings doubled up. San Francisco doubled up. Nick Bosa, 2019 Panini Select. Rookie card. Gem Mint 10. 49ers. Gem Mint 10 Drake May Pink Donruss Optic rated rookie. Going to the Patriots. Jackson Churio Chrome Prospects Gem Mint 10 Bowman Chrome. Going to the Packers. CJ Stroud Silver Prism rookie card Gem Mint 10 going to the Texans. Trevor Lawrence Mosaic Honeycomb Gem Mint 10 case hit going to the Jaguars. Marvin Harrison Jr. Gem Mint 10 Optic Red Pandora Preview rookie card going to the Cardinals. We got a downtown Devontae Adams downtown out of Optic going to the Raiders. And our case hit for the break is our Lamar Jackson rookie auto numbered to 3 going to the Ravens. B&L, I appreciate you. Guys, thanks everybody for jumping in that break. Let me remember to stop the recording now so I don't record 3 hours of nonsense. Where's the thingy? Right there.